Which one is it?
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County and central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Cumberland County in central North Carolina, south central Lee County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Sanford to 7 miles west of Pope Air Force Base to Rayford to near Laurinburg to near Bennettsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rayford, Lillington, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Aberdeen, Maxton, and Godwin.
That's crazy, bro. That's my fourth
A
one.
severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.